I didn't remove the router, kept the router in. Modem router, I just use it in AP mode. I use the same network cable that came with it. Dope cable, really thin. Plug it into LAN port, did everything automatically. I'm not sure exactly with other service providers, but I'm pretty sure if you have to remove the router and just have this connect automatically to your modem, I don't know if your service provider allows it or you gotta call them up, or I know some places a bunch of bullshit you gotta go through. But anyway, doing that AP mode, it did everything automatically. Um, Plug it in, blue light blinks for like 10 seconds, and then solid blue is good. Connection is good. You download the Tenda Nova app. You don't even have to go search this shit up because they have the QR code in this booklet right here. I don't know if I'll find it real quick. Bam, there it is. Pull out your camera. How easy they make this shit nowadays. Everything took about 10 minutes. So this is the Tenda Nova app, and I'm gonna download it right now. Show y'all how to set it up here. App opened up here. Gonna ask you to put on your Wi-Fi name after you get through the setup. Here's the Wi-Fi name. That's what I call mine. Ask you to put your password in. Go through the steps here. And then I'm going to show you the settings. This is some of the settings they have in the app. I'm going to go through each one so y'all can see real quick. So I ended up putting the second one in Ryan's room. Go up there right now. But apparently with the Wi-Fi USB adapters that we use, it's not that much of a difference between the regular router I have and the mesh system. Ryan's computer here, still getting about like 60, 70 on Wi-Fi. I think the highest was like, I did like 3 times. I did a speed test. It was like 80 something. But here, let me show you. You're getting about 215. You're getting around between 200 and 250, I'd say. There's a reason why I got the 6 instead of the 3 is because the 3 caps you at 100, while the 6 is a gigabit connection. So you're gonna get the extra. So I came down here, wired the third one to my Xbox, and I'm getting about 260, 270 on it, doing a network test. Wired it to my computer, getting 300s to 400s. Wireless sucks because I'm using a USB stick for wireless on my computer. I'm getting 60, 70. Wireless on the Xbox, getting like 48. It don't matter if it's on Verizon, Spectrum, my Wi-Fi extender, all of them usually tell me 48. But when I download something, it's always a little faster. You're getting like 60, 80s. Results? This shit is what they say it is. You know, around the house, you're getting anywhere you go, you're getting over 100. You know, you're getting between 150 to 300. Any test I do on my phone. I guess it depends on the device you're using, what kind of speeds you're gonna get. I didn't test the computer in my room yet, but standing next to the first mesh system, the AP one, you're getting the same router speed from Spectrum, which is about 500. I was getting a little more, like 550 on the router, but you're getting like 500, 450, 500 on the mesh. So I was looking, I was YouTubing which one is better. I know a couple out there like the Orbi and I forgot which other one, but they was getting higher speeds than this on Wi-Fi. but some of the range on them isn't as great. I mean, this one is cheaper, and you're getting a good range, and you're getting alright speeds. So I mean, the reason I got it was because I wanted the gigabit port instead of the MW3, which caps you at 100. So goodbye. I'm gonna keep it.